Well, Queensland has recorded 9 cases of COVID-19, 6 of them locally acquired. Georgia Simpson joins us live from the Gold Coast. Georgia, it might have set, tongues wagging a few weeks or months ago, but this is 3 days before borders are going to open, so this is going to be the new normal for Queensland.
It certainly is, and our Health Minister Yvette D'Ath said this is what Queensland has been preparing for the last few months. Of these 9 cases, as you mentioned, 6 of them are locally acquired, and those 6 locally acquired cases are on the Gold Coast, with some of them being out in the community for a number of days. Among those cases is a child, which has resulted in a school being closed, Broadbeach State Primary School, closing on the last day of Term 4. Now, Queensland's double-dose vaccination rate stands at 80.11%. However, the Gold Coast is hovering a little bit below that. We're at just over 78% double dosed, and our Health Minister Yvette D'Ath wants that number to rise. She said that there will be transmission on the Gold Coast, not just from these cases that have popped up today, but because borders opening in just a few days' time, we can expect to see more cases popping up on the Gold Coast, and she wants everyone to keep coming out and getting vaccinated.
We can assume that there is likely to be transmission happening across the Gold Coast. We know that the Gold Coast double dose rate of vaccination is around 4 to 6% lower than the rest of Brisbane. So we need people to come out immediately and get vaccinated.
It's been strongly recommended that people on the Gold Coast start carrying masks around and wearing them while they're indoors. However, this hasn't been mandated, but it is a taste of what potentially could be coming for us. Tom, Minister Yvette D'Ath also pointed out that there's been a number of international arrivals in New South Wales over the coming weeks, thousands of them, and she expects case numbers, or as there were case numbers that have risen in New South Wales, she expects those potentially to move over to Queensland when borders reopen on Monday.
New South Wales has had 63,000 international arrivals since the 1st of November who haven't had to quarantine. And we are seeing New South Wales cases go up. So it is inevitable that these cases are going to move into Queensland when our borders open on Monday. This is going to start moving in quicker.
There's also been quite a lot of complacency over the past few weeks with people checking in to venues. Queensland's Acting Chief Health Officer, Dr. Peter Aiken, wants people to remain vigilant, as he said that it is the fastest way to track down people when they have been exposed to the virus. Tom?